أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Class 8th, subject history, date 3rd of May 2021. Topic textual questions of lesson number 3, that is ruling the countryside. Question number 1. Describe the main features of the permanent settlements. Describe the main features of the permanent settlements. Answer. The main features of the permanent settlement are number first, zamindars were asked to collect rent from the peasants and pay fixed revenue to the company. First, zamindars were asked to collect the rent from the peasants and pay fixed revenue to the company. Second, according to the settlement, the Rajas and the Talukdars were recognized as zamindars and were declared as the owners of the land. Second, according to the settlement, the Rajas and the Talukdars were recognized as zamindars and were declared as the owner of the land. Number third, amount to be paid by the company as rent used were fixed permanently, meant it was not increased ever in future. Number 4, it was felt that this system would ensure to recognize regular flow of revenue for the company, and zamindars will invest money in improving the land. It was felt that this revenue system would ensure to regular flow of revenue for the company, and zamindars will invest money in improving the land. Question number 2. How did Mahalwari system different from the permanent settlement? Question number 2. How was the Mahalwari system different from the permanent settlement? Answer. Permanent settlement. It is the name of the system of revenue collection in the province of Bengal and Bihar, introduced by the Lord Cornwallis in 1793. The entire work of revenue collection was assigned to zamindars who were given hereditary rights over the lands. Permanent settlement. It is the name of the system of revenue collection in the provision of Bengal and Bihar, introduced by the Lord Cornwallis in 1793. The entire work of the revenue collection was assigned to zamindars who were given hereditary rights over the lands. Mahalwari system. Under this system, collectors went from village to village, inspecting the land, measuring the fields, and recording the customs and rights of the different groups. The estimated revenue of each plot within the village was added up to calculate the revenue that each village mahal had to pay. Mahalwari system. Under this system, collectors went from village to village, inspecting the land, measuring the fields, and recording the customs and rights of different groups. The estimated revenue of each plot within the village was added up to calculated the revenue that each village mahal had to pay. Question number 3. What while royalists revolted to grow indigo? Answer. Royalties were reluctant to grow because planting indigo had contained problems which are given below. Number 1. Royalties were given loans to grow indigo and were forced to sign an agreement. First, Riot were given loans to grow indigo and were forced to sign an agreement. Second, peasants who were initially tempted by the loans soon knew come to know that peasants who were initially tempted by the loans soon came to know that this system was very harsh. The price which they got for the indigo they produced were very low, and the cycle of the loans now never ended, cycle of loans never ended. Third, the planters generally insisted that the indigo be cultivated on the best soil in which they produce. To cultivate rice, indigo had deep roots as well as exhausted the soil. After an indigo harvest, the land could not be sown with the rice. Because of these problems, results were recultivated to grow इंडिगो। थैंक्स। इंशाल्लाह अगर आपने चाहा इससे आगे के क्वेश्चन जो है वो कल करेंगे।